The concept of mastering the brain-computer interface, BCI, is an exciting area of research with a huge potential for improving the lives of people with disabilities. There is a growing interest in the development of new technologies that can bridge the gap between the brain and the computer. By learning how to effectively interact with the computer, users can gain greater control over their environment and improve their quality of life. BCIs are a type of technology that can be used to interact with computers directly through the use of brain signals. BCIs work by translating thought into commands that the computer can understand. This allows people to control their environment without relying on other devices, such as a mouse or a keyboard. BCIs are typically divided into two main categories: invasive and non-invasive. Invasive BCIs use electrodes or other devices to directly measure brain activity. Non-invasive BCIs, on the other hand, use sensors placed on the user's scalp to measure brain activity. In either case, the user's thoughts are translated into commands that the computer can interpret. There are a number of different applications for BCIs, including controlling robotic arms, controlling prosthetics, and even controlling a wheelchair. However, the most exciting potential for BCIs is in using them to enable people with severe disabilities to communicate more effectively. For example, BCIs can be used to allow people with locked-in syndrome, a condition in which they are completely unable to communicate with others. LogicProgs is a company that is dedicated to developing BCI technology. They are researching and developing ways to make BCIs more accessible and easier to use for people with disabilities. One of their most promising projects is the development of a new type of BCI called the Mastering Brain-Computer Interfaces, MBCI. The MBCI is a device that is designed to allow users to learn how to control their environment by using the signals from their brain. The device uses a series of sensors that measure the user's brain activity and translate it into commands that the computer can understand. With the MBCI, users can learn to control their environment in a way that is natural and intuitive. LogicProgs is currently working on a number of projects to make the MBCI more accessible. They are developing a playground where people can experiment with the device and learn how to use it. They are also working on a new version of the device that will be easier to use for people with limited dexterity. The potential of BCIs is vast, and the possibilities for improving the lives of people with disabilities are seemingly endless. LogicProgs is making great strides in developing this technology, and their work is sure to have a positive impact on the lives of many people. With their research and development, and the help of the community, the BCI is sure to become a powerful tool for improving the quality of life of those with disabilities.